Need to review footage from your dash cam? This CVR file contains driving video recording from your vehicle camera. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and use these dash cam video recording files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium CVR file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. A .CVR file is a video recording captured by various models of in-car dashboard cameras. Users typically need to open these files to review driving footage after an incident, for insurance purposes, or for personal record keeping. The file often contains video, audio, and sometimes GPS or G-sensor metadata. The .CVR format is often a standard video container, like AVI or MOV, simply renamed with a proprietary extension by the dashcam manufacturer. This is done to associate the files with the brand's specific playback software, which can also parse the accompanying proprietary metadata streams for a full-featured playback. The core association for the CVR file points directly to VLC Media Player, developed by Videoland Project. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows plays supported files reliably, but unsupported ones must be played using external applications. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the CVR file and hit Open With. Use VLC Media Player if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your CVR file is not opening yet, that is normal. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, playing in dashcam software. Install your dashcam manufacturer's playback software, which provides native CVR support with all metadata visible. The software typically displays video alongside GPS map tracks, speed graphs, and impact event markers. This integrated view provides comprehensive incident reconstruction with all recorded vehicle data synchronized for thorough review. Next, using VLC Media Player. Try VLC Media Player, which often plays CVR files using its extensive codec support. While VLC may not display the embedded GPS metadata, it provides reliable video playback across platforms. This works for basic incident review when manufacturer software is unavailable or for sharing footage with users without specialized dashcam software. Finally, submitting for insurance claims. For insurance claims or legal proceedings, keep CVR files in original format alongside any converted versions. Document the recording date, time, location, and circumstances. Convert files to MP4 for accessibility, while preserving originals as evidence. Provide both formats to insurance adjusters or law enforcement supporting claim documentation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.